All right, so I just received this, and it's 4,600 lumens. And yeah, let's unbox it and see what we got. It's got 3 tabs on it. I think we direct wire this, so we'll see. This is LED. All right, yeah, there it is. The boxes always give me a problem. You know, I don't understand why they make them the way they do. But anyway, this comes out. And there's our light. And I do believe we've got to take this apart so that, and then we can go ahead and screw it up there. But this has like a plastic on it, which I don't know if we leave that on there or we take it off. I guess we leave it on. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. All right, so anyway, we could probably read some instructions here. It says, save based on replacement. It doesn't really give us any direction on this thing, does it? So anyway, let's take a look and see what we got. All right, so I do believe we have to pop it open, but this top part should come off. You know what I mean? Like that. See what I mean? Just popped it like that. All right, so that's that. So that's good. And here I think is some type of, I don't know if this is some kind of brace. All right, so I guess you can put that into the ceiling, and I think this is wire nuts here. And screws. Set that down. Did I get them all? Yeah. So they gave me 3 screws and 3 wire nuts, and they gave me this, which is like a track. But I think what we're going to do here, so we got a ground, we got a hot, and we got a neutral. So we've got to connect those. We're going to use these wire nuts to do that. But we've got to figure out where we're going to put it. And then we can just go bring it up there, screw it in, lock it in, then just lock this on top. And that's it. Now they did give us some instrucciones. You follows me? So most important thing is that you got the power off to it, which we do have the power off to it right now. But I think maybe you can lock, I don't know, I just think that all we've got to do is wire it in and we should be good. All right, so I've got to pop this out, and usually you can turn it over and just kind of hit it like that, and it bends out. And then you just kind of pop it up. I mean, I don't know if you have to take it all the way out or not, but now I can slip that Romex through here, and I can go ahead and lock it out here. Now what I could do is I could draw this on a piece of paper and make a little thing that I can template that I can use for putting it up on the ceiling. So I'm just going to slip this underneath here like that, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and draw my holes. You know what I mean? And then I know exactly where I'm going to put it. And then I can go up there. I can just tape it up there like that, and then screw my screws right in there. And that'll be it right there. It'll be ready to go. And then when I bring this up, I can slide that through, right? And then we'll connect it to these, the ground, the hot, and the cold, using our wire nuts, and we should be good. I might put a little tape on the back of this to put it up there. All right, so I'm thinking a good spot would be right about here. There. And I just have to get the holes in there. All right, I'm thinking this will work. Hopefully they'll work. There's one, right? Sometimes you gotta tap them with a hammer. So. Got it. That one's in. So I'm gonna shove this one in, hopefully. Yeah, and you gotta do, sometimes you gotta give it some taps. You know what I mean? All right, that should work. Now we just gotta put our screws in there. All right, so I just gotta see if the head of this screw is gonna hold it. Seems like it should, right? That should work. Okay, so I don't have to put the screws all the way in, but I just have to get them so that we can get them through the head. And once they're through the base of it, then we'll be good as far as tightening them down. You follow me? So let me just get them going. Bam, done. What I've got to do is I've got to get, let me flip this around, I've got to get this wire through here, right? Hopefully it doesn't electrocute me. It would have if it was gonna. And then I'm gonna pull this through all the way, and I just got to get this up here, find my screws if I can. There we go, and then slide it, just like that. I think I'm gonna, all right, just use a little hole and then we'll put it right in. Done. Now we take that off. Get this on. Bam. Woo, we did it. One in, let's get another one in. Over on this side. It's working, we're getting there. Bam, done. Huh, I think we got it. Woo! Now I just gotta wire it. These just a tad. So I'm just gonna cut them off a little bit. Just a little bit. This one I really don't have to. All right, so I think I'm ready to go. All right, so first one we're gonna do is the hot wire. Is that the one we don't want to get schmoozled on? So we're going to go ahead and tighten that down. You see that? Hot wire, tightening it. Then we're going to do, I think we're going to do the neutral wire next, right? So that's going to go right there. And we just got to tighten it down. And I might put some electrical tape on here. I don't know, we'll see. And then I think the ground, we can just do it like this. I mean, because it's already grounded, right? Let's get our ground down there. So we don't electrocuce ourselves. And then we'll put some tape on there, okay? Just in case. We can just go ahead and put some tape around it. Just so if it did unhook, which I don't think it would, we will have, you know, it's protected, you know, from shocking, being shocking. Ow, son of a gun. That did not feel good. All right, let's do this one. Some tape on it. Okay, that should do it, right? Tried to cut my finger. And then this one we really don't need to do anything with. Okay, now I just got to shove it all up in there. Get this all in. Push it up like that. And then we just got to get this on. Got to get all the wires in. Put it right there. And then we just got to squeeze it and snap it. It's done. I think. I don't know what that was. I think that's going to work though. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it works. All right, that's cool, huh? That seems like it's good.